Car accidents and health impacts. Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about car accidents and how they affect the human body. Even though the modern car is very safe and transportation modernization and engineering have created seamless travel routes for many Americans, motor vehicle accidents continue to play a major role in health and longevity. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, reports that 36,096 people died in motor vehicle accidents in the United States overall in 2019. Compared to the 36,835 fatalities reported in 2018, this represents a 2% decrease. Here are some additional figures concerning car accidents in the U.S. Approximately 2.74 million people suffered injuries in motor vehicle collisions in 2019. In 2019, 28% of all fatalities in motor vehicle crashes involved drunk driving. 9,478 people lost their lives in 2019, or 26% of all fatal motor vehicle collisions, as a result of speeding. In large truck crashes, those involving vehicles with a gross vehicle weight rating of more than 10,000 pounds, in 2019, there were 846 fatalities. 2019 saw a 0.5% drop in motorcycle fatalities, from 5,014 compared to 5,038 in 2018. 6,205 pedestrian fatalities were recorded in 2019, which was a 2% increase from 2018. It's important to keep in mind that the COVID-19 pandemic may have affected these figures for 2020 and beyond because it disrupted travel volume and patterns. A car accident can cause a variety of injuries to the human body, and these injuries can differ depending on the type of vehicle involved, the speed and direction of impact, and whether the occupants were wearing seatbelts or other types of restraints. The following are a few of the most frequent wounds sustained in a car accident. Head injuries such as concussions, skull fractures, and brain injuries can occur when the head collides with the steering wheel, dashboard, or window. Neck injuries. Whiplash is a common neck injury that happens during a collision when the head is violently jerked back and forth. It may cause spinal cord damage, muscle strain, and ligament sprains. Chest injuries. The steering wheel, dashboard, or airbag can strike the chest, causing broken ribs, collapsed lungs, or heart injuries. Internal injuries to the abdominal organs, such as the liver, spleen, or kidneys, can result from a collision's force. Pelvic injuries include fractures or dislocations, which can harm the reproductive organs or cause internal bleeding. Arms and legs may sustain injuries as a result of collisions with the car's interior or other objects. Cuts, sprains, and fractures are frequent injuries. The body may suffer trauma from being thrown from the car, crushing injuries from the car collapsing, burns, or smoke inhalation from fires in serious collisions. It's crucial to remember that using a seatbelt can significantly lower the likelihood of suffering serious injuries in a collision. There are several things you should do if you are in a car accident. Injuries should be looked for in both yourself and other accident participants. Make an immediate call for emergency medical assistance if someone is seriously hurt. Move to a safe area. If the collision is minor and the vehicles can be driven, move them away from oncoming traffic to a secure area, like the shoulder of the road. To warn other drivers, turn on your hazard lights if the cars cannot be moved. Always turn the vehicle off in case of leaking, flammable fluids. This doesn't guarantee the vehicle is safe, but it will start the engine cooling process. To report the accident, contact the police by phone. Tell them where you are, how many vehicles are involved, and the severity of any injuries. When a police officer arrives on the scene, follow their instructions. Information exchange. Give the other drivers in the collision your phone number and insurance information. Names, phone numbers, insurance policy numbers, and license plate numbers are included in this. Take pictures of the damage to your car and any other vehicles involved in the collision to help you remember what happened. Take pictures of the accident scene and any skid marks or road debris. Speak with your insurance provider. As soon as you can, get in touch with your insurance provider to report the incident and provide them with the necessary details. Get medical help. Even if you don't feel hurt, it's important to be checked out by a doctor because not all injuries are obvious right away. Remember that it's crucial to maintain your composure and refrain from blaming others or engaging in conflict. In order to file an insurance claim and obtain the necessary compensation, focus on exchanging information and documenting the accident. State and local public health campaigns have played a major role in reducing traffic deaths. To reduce traffic fatalities, a number of public health initiatives have been put in place. Here are a few instances. Seatbelt laws. All 50 states in the U.S. have seatbelt laws requiring passengers to wear a seatbelt. By up to 50%, seatbelt use can reduce the risk of fatal injuries in auto accidents. All 50 states have enacted laws that make it illegal to drive while intoxicated. For violators of these laws, there are fines, license suspensions, and jail terms available. Setting and enforcing speed limits is a crucial step in lowering the risk of fatal collisions. Lower speed limits have been shown to lessen the severity of injuries in the event of an accident. Safety measures for pedestrians and cyclists include the construction of sidewalks, crosswalks, and bike lanes, as well as public awareness campaigns about safe walking and cycling. Vehicle safety standards. The risk of fatal injuries in auto accidents has decreased thanks to improvements in vehicle safety standards like airbags, anti-lock brakes, and electronic stability control. Public health initiatives that emphasize educating the public on safe driving practices and the significance of wearing seatbelts, abstaining from driving while intoxicated, and obeying traffic laws have been shown to reduce the number of fatal accidents. For these public health initiatives to be successful in lowering traffic fatalities, a combination of laws, regulations, and education campaigns is necessary. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of motor vehicle accidents and their role and impact on health. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.